Bakit kaya posible na lilipat ang iyong mga members or ang iyong mga empleyado sa ibang kumpanya kung walang in place na training and development program ang iyong business or kumpanya? Isa sa mga pangunahing reasons dyan, it is because ang mga empleyado na mga quality or mga members na talagang quality, gusto nilang umasenso. They want to grow and develop themselves. So ang message is, kung walang in place na training and development program, after 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, same thing, same routine, same input, same expectations, ang message is, wala tayo ditong asenso. Hanggang dito lang talaga tayo. Walang reason or motivation ang company to train and develop us. Kasi hanggang dito lang naman tayo. So that's the message, right? So bakit pa ako mag-aspire to expand my competence kung hanggang dito lang naman talaga ako? On the other hand, pag merong training and development, malaki ang pag-asa or ang hope ng isang member or isang empleyado na merong chance to become successful, to level up. Malaki ang chance that meron akong ditong room for improvement, not just personally, but also career or business-wise. That's why it's so critical for any company or any business organization na nag-invest sila sa training and development ng kanilang mga tao. Right? So if you start all over again each time or each year, then sayang yung mga tao na after 1 year, 2 years, meron ng experience, meron ng know-how, nakakreate na ng relationship sa kanilang kapwa members or kapwa empleyado. So hindi sila rookie na. You can assign them leadership roles na talagang makaka-impact in a positive and productive way sa iyong organization. So that's one of the many negative impacts pag walang in place na training program ang isang kumpanya. So as a certified international training consultant, yan yung ating ina-advise sa ating mga CEOs, sa ating mga kliyente na may mga tao na inaalagaan that it is a must, it is imperative na dapat kung nag-invest ka sa ibang bagay sa iyong negosyo like infrastructures, nag-invest ka sa software, dapat nag-invest ka rin sa napaka-importante, napaka-valuable na asset ng iyong organization. As I always say, if you grow your people, they will grow your business. Isn't that true? So for more information kung ano itong mga training programs, ano yung pwede mong gagawin to level up your employees, your members, message us. And if you have, let's say, 20 and above na tao sa inyong organization, we will give you free 30-minute consultation. And believe me, what we will share sa iyo will blow your mind. You're just 1 or 2 strategies or ideas away in creating a dependable members or team or organization.